Yo, what is up, fam? How's it going today? So today is ring day. It is 7:46, and Felix and I are about to head out to the ring. We got a 4-hour and 30-minute drive, but you know we're gonna chop that on down on the autobahn. But so we're gonna go ahead and hit the road, and then I'll start getting some footage of everything that's going on, getting some laps, all that good stuff. So it's gonna be a really, really dope trip. Hey, Felix, say hello. My man Felix over here in his 5.0. So let's get it. Well, so maybe about 15 minutes into my trip, and it's already gone south. So I was just rolling down the road, only doing about 110 kilometers, nothing crazy, just cruising, trying to conserve gas because I have a 4-hour and 30-minute drive ahead of me. And a baby deer decides to meet its maker. So it could have been a lot worse, as you see here. So he knocked some stuff loose, did some things, definitely not ideal in any way, shape, or form. But it is what it is, and these things do happen because it's life, right? So I already called the police. They're on the way, so I'll make a police report, then I'll make a claim, then hopefully everything will go smooth. It won't cost me an arm and a leg, and yeah, I'll get the car fixed. But I'm gonna go and check out this baby deer that I hit because I'm curious. All right, so here he or she is. It definitely sucks for that little guy. I mean, obviously, a life was lost, even though it is a deer, but it's still a life. And my car can be fixed, but unfortunately, he or she can't be brought back to life. So that definitely sucks, but hopefully everything goes smooth and this process is pretty quick. And if it is, then I plan to go ahead and push forward to the ring. Obviously, I'm not gonna bring my car, but I still got Felix here, so we can take his car. So now all I gotta do is wait for the police, and we'll see what goes from there. All right, so the polls I just left, and my police report will be in on Tuesday. So now all I can pretty much do is drive the car home, but we're gonna hop in Felix's 5.0, and we're just gonna keep pushing forward to the ring, because fuck that, I'm not gonna let this get me down. So we're about an hour out from the ring, and we're just stopping to use the bathroom, grab something to eat, and get some gas, obviously. But the trip's going pretty smooth so far. Traffic's a little whatever, but I guess we'll get there when we get there. How fast are you going?
150.
150.
Welcome to the Green Isle.
Hey, what up, fam? And so we finally made it to the ring after all the trials and tribulations of the day. Felix already bought his laps, but the ring is closed right now due to a crash, so I'm just going to do some walking around the car park and see what's around today. Ooh, clean S2000, some Poly Super Sports, Focus RS, Ring Tool M3 on some CSL type wheels. On the Pilot Cup 2s, it's real clean. Oh my God. Clean Lotus right here. Exige. One day. On the Toyo R888. Super duper clean. I really don't think you can miss this E92 if you try. It's so clean though. Got the canards, front arrow, rear wing. Huh? Yeah. Got the Stop Tech big brake kit. Ooh, clean EK hatch. Can never go wrong. I wonder what's hiding underneath the hood though. Got the red Recaros. Momo steering wheel. Pretty clean example.
You love your Hondas.
I do love Hondas. Lamborghini Gallardo. V10. Are these 5.2 liters? I think so. KTM Expo out here. Carbon fiber shell, all that good stuff. They're really clean. Love to have a go on one of these one day. I know, got the inboard suspension. E46 M3, man, everybody loves them. Definitely a proper ring tool.
I want to do so much more to my car.
Ike.
Interior, just first off, the harnesses, the roll cage.
Feel you though.
Ooh. Stock freaking seatbelts. Probably gonna be flying all over the car.
997 GT3, always a pleasure. Still very beautiful cars, very capable. Ooh, it's Honda S2000 though. Got the Stop Tech big brake kit. We're on the Nakane. I forget what model tire this is, but it's pretty much a semi-slick. Got the hard top, rear arrow. Got the Sparko seats and a roll bar inside. This looks pretty serious. Ooh, hey, shout out to Speed Hunters though. Huh? Dear God. I'm not sure if it's big enough. Honestly don't know what this is. Cool though. All right, y'all, so I just got back from a passenger lap with my bro Felix in his 5.0. It's a pretty decent lap. It's only his second time at the Nürburgring, so he definitely still has a lot to work on, but it was still a fun lap. But over here, look what we ran into, a GT2 RS. So this is currently the fastest production car at the Nürburgring. It ran a 6:47.3, pretty clean, 700 horsepower. I forget how much it costs, but trust me, it's a lot. Really, really. With Felix, and there was a Golf that crashed like right in front of us. So right now, they had to close down the track because they're cleaning that up at the moment. So hopefully that doesn't take too long so we can hop back on the track. One question for you.
Yeah.
And so if you're just not coming into the Nürburgring for your first time, right? And so what do you think, I guess, like the most important like rule to follow is like for being safe is going out there and having fun?
I think the most important thing to remember when you're at the Nürburgring on your first day, back to do your first lap, is that by every means possible, you want to drive your own car home again. Like actually driving it, not like sitting in the front of a yellow truck with your car behind you going beep, 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 and the doors open and closing. So to that end, I would highly recommend that your first lap should always be super, super slow, right hand side, checking ahead, checking behind, and just chill the out. Just cruise around the track, get acclimatized to the whole concept of some guys are doing 200 miles an hour, some guys are doing 20 miles an hour. And when you feel comfortable with that, that's when you can start thinking about, now I recognize this section because I've already done it 2 times, and I'm gonna check my mirrors, I'm gonna turn in, use the track, make some racing lines. And by lap 50, that first lap will be just like a distant memory. And by lap 50, you'll be on a line, chasing down the apexes. But to get to lap 50, you have to get through those first 10 laps without smashing it big style, which is what we see here at the weekends all the time. So
Awesome.
Keep it easy, play it smooth, and try to drive home.
Oh, y'all heard it from Dale himself, and he got like 1 million laps on this track, so I think if anybody knows, he knows.
At least.
All right, Dale, thank you.
No worries.
Clean Lotus Caterham. I couldn't even imagine being in one of these on track. This would be dope. Oh my God, look at this E30 M3 though, on the OZ racing wheels. This one's doing it for me. If I had to take any car home today, it might be this one with the Recaros. Super, super clean. God, so well built. This is an immaculate example.
It's got a sequential in it too.
Got done when I passed the lap with Chris. It was a pretty good lap. Went around about at 8:40 something in that area, but it was just a nice, smooth, fluid lap. Really enjoyed it. So, dang, it sucks not having my car here though, because it's got that itch. You feel me? Ooh, TBR. Had your Altima and your Aston Martin. Got some British goodness. And then we got the Lotus to top it off. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. It's the end of the day. So I was gonna go out for a lap in Felix's 5.0, but right as I was about to head out and the track got closed. Whew. But it was a good day. I enjoyed it. I'm glad I still came. I learned today, and the most important thing really, like when going to the ring, it's just track time. Like, you got the fastest car, every mod in the world, but it means nothing if you don't have the skill or if you just don't know the track itself. And that's how people crash, I feel, honestly. But it was a good day. I'm out.